Si Tobi Tobs.
Our baby.
Or baby.
Our baby Tobi. So guys, we're gonna stop by here because we're gonna eat or drink. have arrived at
Also.
West 35. Car. So we arrived here. It was a roller coaster ride. Not a disaster. I was so nervous because I saw some
Waterfalls.
waterfalls going into the road. You know, if you've been here, I think you know what I mean. No, and I was so nervous driving because it's my first time driving. I think it's kind of foggy. No, there's fog. And it's cold. It's cold in the car. It's cold outside. How's it going? Sleeping.
Cold?
We're gonna. I'm for sure gonna drink coffee. And what are you getting, man love? We're
Pizza.
gonna eat pizza.
And fries. And choco.
And I hope they have dog food here.
Oh, dog food.
For Tobi.
Sorry.
Nakita to.
Scared? Scared now, baby. Scared.
The rain just slowed down and the fog is clearing up.
Kasi yung kuan ba mo Pikachu.
I got a buzz. Oh yeah, and we took off our window tent, because it was too dark. I couldn't see at night. It was very dangerous. So we're gonna put tent here, same as this one, in the front and the back. There's no tent here at the moment. Though back there's a tent. See that? It's so dark at night, like it's black. I can't see. So that's what we're gonna do.
Oh no! Oh no!
Mangihi bitaw na siya dito.
Oh yo! Come here.
Hey Marco Moore, can we go pet shopping?
Woof 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 woof.
Meow 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 meow.
I'm gonna pet some cats and I got sausages in my pocket. Looking for a llama or maybe an iguana. This is a nice possum.
Now, walk into the store, I'm like, what up? I need a...
Pigid. Kana pigid. Wow. For the
Ano yun? Okay. Basa, no? Ay lang sa sulod. Hot coffee and hot chocolate with a view. Cute na ng gamay mo eh.
finished eating. This guy is in a bad mood.
Banana mo,
See?
Wiwi.
He's in a bad mood, so we're gonna video.
Forget me na lang.